Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on PC. Fortnite is a free battle royale game from video game publisher Epic Games. You need to download and use their launcher in order to play Fortnite. So go to www.epicgames.com and in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, click Get Epic Games. Download and install the launcher and then follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user account. Once you have the launcher installed, double-click the launcher icon to start it. Sign in if you are prompted to do so. On the launcher home screen, you'll see a search bar at the top right. Click in that and type Fortnite, and then click Fortnite. On the right-hand side, you should see a button that says Get. Mine looks different because I already have Fortnite in my library, but I'm going to walk you through the rest of the process. Click Get, and that will take you to the purchase page. Click Place Order in the lower right-hand corner. This will add Fortnite to your game's library. Now, click on In Library on the right-hand side. Then, find Fortnite in your library and click on it. A window will pop up asking where you'd like to install it. The default location is fine, so go ahead and click Install. It will download and install, and then you'll be all set to battle it out against other players in Fortnite. And that is how you download Fortnite on PC. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.